everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a nice wax warmer by WLOOMM. Stay tuned. Okay, so now we're back and we're going to go ahead and we are going to unbox this wax warmer. So first off, we're going to go ahead and unclip the thumb. We're going to go ahead and, as you can see, on the inside is the purple wax warmer, as you can see right here. Before I open that up, I wanted to show you guys what I did purchase. I purchased this. It's the Satin Smooth, the hard wax. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's really hard. I did take off the top, so this can actually be used with hard wax as well as soft wax. As long as you got this container, then you can go ahead and add in your hard wax. You also have a little container that comes in there where you can put your soft wax in. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to unbox it, and then I will be back with everything that all this stuff goes into. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this box. I did purchase this off of Amazon. So if you open up the box, the first thing you see is this WLOOMM wax warmer. This is available in two different colors, the purple and the black. I happen to get the purple color. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to click this lever right here to open up the box. And in the box you can see here is the wax warmer, all covered in plastic. Let's just go ahead and take it out of the box and remove all the plastic. But first, let's get to the user manual. And in the user manual, it will tell you how to set it up, how to start it up, and also you have your warning instructions. Alright, and in this box, we're going to put this away. This is your standard US 110 plug. Here at the top is the top of the wax warmer. It has three little holes at the top for ventilation. As you can see here at the top, it's got a nice little grip. There's a ventilation holes. And here's a nice little gripper. And inside here you have an extra tray. This is if you use hard wax pellets. You'll just go ahead and enter your pellets right here and then install it into the wax warmer, and once you're done you can just go ahead and wipe it off. It's got a nice little carrying case, and if you use a hard wax, as I showed you earlier, you could just go ahead and put the container in here. This does go from off all the way up to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. And right here is the back of the plug. It is not removable, and here's the bottom. So overall, this is a nice wax warmer. Alright, as you've seen me unbox everything from the box, I'm going to go ahead and take off the lid. And you did see that inside the box it has this little container. Well, this little container, you can add the pellets to your hard wax. You just add it in here, and it would go ahead and sit in there melted. And when you're done with it, you can just go ahead and wipe it off. But if you're like me and you have this already, so what you're going to do is take this. You're going to go ahead and add it in here. You're going to go ahead and plug this into the wall. So then when you plug that into the 110 outlet, you have your dialer right here. So you can go anywhere from 0 all the way up to 240 degrees. So as I was explaining, you can see the dials all the way up from off all the way on to 240 Fahrenheit. You know, this is what it looks like all the way around. So I actually have used this one here to do my underarms because I don't like to shave. But I personally myself would not recommend using this on my legs because I have a lot, I wouldn't say a lot longer legs because I have shorter legs, but this covers in more areas. So this I would actually use for my underarms. Well, the soft wax I would actually use for my legs And if you want to get these stubborn little hairs right here, you can. You just take your little dipper, put it down, wait for it to dry, and then you'd rip it up. So if you are interested in purchasing this product, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go ahead and hit that little notification button right here so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, an update in APK. You can check my website at Mari'sReviewChannel.com. Thanks for watching.